You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our 3-video series on JR's favorite sectors for 2025. So this has been a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys are having some fun. So we started off with uranium, shared our top 5 uranium stocks. Then we went to quantum, shared our top 5 quantum stocks. For those who have been following me in 2024, you're aware one of my favorite stocks was KTOS, the attack drone company financed by the US government. The argument was, who wouldn't want to be long attack drones? God forbid we have to be concerned with attack drones, but it's someplace that we want to be invested. And I think this is another sector that's going to really explode. That's a horrible pun. That's really going to take off. Not much better in 2025. Let's go to the screen. Let's go to the slide deck. All right, here you are. Jonathan's 5 drone stocks. All right, starting drone stock number 1, Textron, maker of the Bell helicopter and Shadow drones for defense, strong government contracts, and expanding autonomous drone tech. Think high-tech flying machines serving military and industrial giants. Now, pulling up TXT, now I'm filming this December 17th. Interesting. Closes within its expected move, going back 2 years, 75% of the time. Right now, we're getting darn close to an entry point. Now, entries over Christmas, probably not the time, but this is definitely something that we want to look into in the beginning of 2025. Textron. The next name is an oldie but goodie. Now, we started looking at KTOS back when it was trading 15, 16. Last trade about 28. We still like being long KTOS. Builds low-cost combat drones like the Valkyrie for the US Air Force. It's leading in affordable autonomous drones, and Kratos keeps the skies safe without breaking the bank. So let's check KTOS. Now, KTOS has been real strong in the last month, 2 months. Here's what it's looked like going back to the beginning of the year. Man, just beautiful, steady uptrend, getting stronger and stronger. Right now, it's at its expected move. 28.57 is some resistance. Last trade, 27.30. Now, a name like this, I'm crossing my fingers that by the time you get this video, 2025, maybe KTOS is pulled back under 25, and we can get long KTOS once again. Let's see where it's trading at. Next is going to be AeroVironment AVAV, known for the Switchblade kamikaze drones. Highly portable. It dominates a small tactical drone market and a big impact from small, smart drones on the battlefield. I like to think of this as common sense investing. Who wouldn't want to be invested in drone companies right now? All these names are actually pulling back. AVAV as well. AVAV, it looks like it had earnings. Volatile stock, but probably a good entry point right now as well. So that's pretty cool. So we have AVAV. Our 4th name is going to be Elbit Systems, ESLT. And by the way, guys, we're doing this so we can review these names throughout the year. We're going to be following these names, and this way we can hold JR accountable. An Israeli defense tech giant building unmanned aerial systems, expanding presence in global drone defense markets. And then we have Elbit delivers precision tech where it matters most. And let's go and check ESLT. Last 2 years. So this one's gone. And how I would look at this, as we're looking at all these drone companies, the ones that are pulling back and giving you an opportunity to get in, that's where we want to get in. Those are good entry points. We definitely would never consider getting long outside of its expected move. These expected moves come every month, but this is a name where we're waiting for a pullback. We don't want to jump in and buy at 250 because think of all the friends that we're going to make who were in at 170 who are going to sell us their stock. We're not in this to make friends, right? Hopefully we're in it to make some money. So that's number 4. And then number 5 is going to be RCAT, wow, what a move this had just yesterday, but today it's pulling back. So here we go, RedCat Holdings, RCAT, parent company of Skypersonic and Teal drones. They focus on the military and commercial drone needs. RedCat is flying the new drone markets like a rocket. But let's look at RCAT because this is going to be a volatile name, and this is going to be a name I think we're going to have some fun with in our advanced notice community in 2025 because RCAT in November was trading 3, in December it traded almost to 13, but this is the behavior yesterday it was up 35% or something like that. Now it's pulling back, it's off its lows a little bit, but RCAT is another one to watch. Okay, so if I walk you through our 5 names, we have TXT, KTOS, AVAV, ESLT, and we have RCAT. And all the names are on the screen. Okay, well that's gonna lock up or close out our 3 video series on JR's 3 favorite sectors in 2025. We're gonna be talking about these sectors throughout 2025 on our daily live show, Masters in Trading Live, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.
Join us every weekday at live.mastersintrading.com.